today, just a little less mundane. Oh.
Afternoon vlog. Saan tayo papunta, be? Nasaan tayo ngayon? Sa Davao kami vlog. Mag-check-in kami. Sila lang pala. Be, sige ka mag-check-in, be. Sabi mo, hop in. Hop in. Sige na, sabi mo, hop, hop. Hop, hop, hooray!
Hop, owl.
Ay, hop, hop. The owl. Ano yung pangalan niya, be? Agay. Agay, ano yun? Agay. Yeah. Halo lang kami nag-gumok, guys.
Turn left onto Candelaria.
Ayan. Hop in. Hop, hop, the owl. Okay. Hop in. So, nasa may
Turn right.
Jollibee.
Destination will be on the right.
Jollibee na saya. Diyan ang gilid. Hop in. Diyan. Exit.
Ayun. Baka sa McDonald's ito.
It's hop in. Hop in. Hop, 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 hop.
Your destination is on the right.
Kaon eh.
Nakunin mo yung chinelas mo sila.
Okay, let's go, baby. Check-in kami, guys. Ay, sila lang, guys. Kasi natin nila kami. Hi, good afternoon. Check-in.
Ma'am, allow me to recap your reservation. You book for an overnight stay and you book a standard double bed. I'd like to ask for your email and mobile number. Is it the first time you talk in?
Yes.
Allow me to run through the terms and conditions lang po. Check-out time tomorrow will be at 12 noon po. Non-smoking rooms po tayo and bawal po yung mga smelly foods such as marang and durian. We don't have dental kit and sleepers, but we have head-to-toe soap available inside the room,
Okay.
towels and tissue as well, water dispensers along the hallway, and 2 glasses inside the room. I will be surrendering 2 key cards po. Lost or unreturned key cards will be charged for 200.
Okay.
For the Wi-Fi voucher, makikita lang po siya sa baba po ng TV together with the QR code for any housekeeping requests.
Okay.
Assign na lang po.
Actually, sila yung mag...
Na, okay.
Pwede ba samahan na lang sila muna?
Okay, sige. Ito yung key cards po. Rooms located on the 2nd floor.
Okay, thank you. Tara, tara. Hop. Yeah. Okay. O, tag-isa mo. Para makasulod ka unya.
Yan lang tayo.
Ha? Duha, extra. Up. Ganun na.
Ano?
I-scan mo muna kung hindi mo papindot. Scan tapos second floor.
Second floor.
Sila lang mag-check. Okay. $2.33. Tubig na daw. Okay. Okay. Oh, wow. Nice CR. Di mo gani? Ito na, guys. Wait lang. guys. So, ito ang view. So, may switch dyan. Yung baso. And, ito ang view. Meron silang parking sa baba. Ito yung bed. Double bed. Ay. Ah! Tagal na. Dulaan na yun. And ito ang CR. Then meron silang hand soap, tissue, shampoo, body wash. Mang, body wash at shampoo, isa lang ha. Then hot and cold shower. Wow! Hop in. Kana. So guys, this is booked via Agoda. Agoda. 1608. Nandun ang card. Kung magkuhan mo, ugma, yung dalawang card ang ibigay ninyo, ha?
Anong oras lang po?
Alas 12 daw.
Ha? Matulog pa tayo.
Kanya. Dalawang card, ibigay nyo na sa baba. Okay? Kina?
Ikaw, magbili mo na kayo ng food, ha?
Apa. Okay, guys. Ang tubig yun doon. Okay? Okay? Okay, guys. Hop in. Yan. Kung magpasok ka.
Kung mag-open bisag na itong isa.
Oh. Yan. Okay. Okay, guys. Ikuan mo lang kung mag-sakay ka pang. Hello. So, ito yung parking area, guys. Yun lang, hinatid ko lang sila. Hop in. Hop, hop in.